Hello. It's a gorgeous Friday today. I just got back from my accounting class, which is the only one that I have on Fridays. Matcha and I are gonna take a little walk today on the Greenbelt. I have had so many questions asking where Matcha was all this time because obviously he was missing in my videos. My parents were kind enough to watch him while I studied abroad in the fall on semester at sea, and because my parents had a trip booked in the beginning of February, they just brought him up whenever they came. So for the first month, getting settled back into life in Idaho, getting back into my routine with my new classes, he was not around for that, but now he's permanently back here. Oh my goodness, life with him has been so much fun. Dogs really do just make everything better, and the little routine that we have is just perfect. It's freezing outside, and I desperately need it to be spring because I miss the sun, you guys. So we're bundling up and we're wearing this jacket. My mom got Matcha this sweater from my new favorite brand called the Foggy Dog. It's a company based out of San Francisco, and earlier last year I got him this little leash set. He's got a matching collar to go with it. I'm trying to think of some things that are new. I feel like some life updates are in order. I had the busiest week 2 weeks ago doing midterms. In 3 days, I begin the 7th week of this semester, and there's 14 weeks in the semester, so that's the halfway point, which is actually crazy to me because I feel like I just got off the boat on semester at sea, and the fact that I'm almost halfway done through spring semester, which just baffles me. Got course registrations coming up on the 20th, which is really soon, and I did decide that I wanted to stay in Idaho this summer and do summer classes. I will be doing summer school. That should be interesting. He loves riding in the car. It's his favorite thing. Gosh, I have such an embarrassing story that happened the other day. So usually a lot of brands, if they send an excess amount of PR and I just don't want to be wasteful and I know that I won't either drink the product or use a makeup product, I always give it away to close friends or I drop it off at the food pantry. So I went on campus the other day and I had this big bag and it was full of Alani Nu energy drinks. I'm a ride or die fan of Alani Nu energy drinks before any workout, but I cannot keep up with the amount that they send, so I don't want to be wasteful. So I had a big bag. I stuck it in one of those paper Trader Joe's bags. Filled with cans, okay? So I drive to campus, park outside the food pantry on a day that I did not have classes, and I'm carrying the bag. My dumb self did not carry the bottom, and I made it about halfway from my car to the door of the food pantry, and the whole thing just broke. Cans were rolling everywhere in the street. It was in the middle of a really busy passing period during class, so everybody that was in that vicinity was just staring, and it was so awkward because I'm just like scrambling, picking up cans left and right, and so I literally just put it in my trunk. The bag is completely broken, and to make things even better, I brought Matcha with me, so I left him in the car, but I locked the car obviously, and he set off like the theft alarm detector thing, so my car is beeping crazy. It was a whole mess, and then to make it even better, it was during that time of the month. Did I feel like crying? No, I literally just started laughing. On that note, let's go walk the Greenbelt, get some vitamin D, because this is one of the very rare days that it's actually sunny outside during this winter season. All right, Chach, let's do this thing. One thing about the geese here, they are ruthless. They hiss and they bite and they just all gather around. Hands down, this Greenbelt was one of the top things that I miss about being here in Boise. And right now it's not even at its greatest potential, and during the summertime it looks absolutely stunning. But I'll take it for now. All twigs and no leaves or green or anything. I think if I ever leave Idaho, I'm gonna miss this Greenbelt just so much. As I was pulling into my driveway, I saw that a package was delivered, so let's see what it is. Looks like this package is from Grande Cosmetics. This is actually the eyelash serum brand that I use, and I get questions all the time asking how I get my lashes so long, and the secret is Grande Cosmetics lash serum. Ooh, pre-mascara lengthener and thickener, conditioning peptide mascara, and a waterproof mascara. I'm so excited. Does anybody else get hype in their car before they go hit a workout? Because same. Ooh, this Alani new cherry slush flavor is to die for. I always have a Bear Bells protein bar or a Quest protein bar and then an Alani new energy drink of some sort, but they actually just came out with these little mini cans that has half the caffeine and it's just the perfect size for me. The cutest little can, and in comparison to my Hydro Flask, it's tiny. Today we're hitting glutes in the gym. Quick stop at Whole Foods because I want to pick up some fresh sourdough bread and I need some more almond milk and some berries. So here we are. Made it home with a loaf of fresh sourdough bread and tons of groceries. Want some food? Do you want your food? Do you want your food? Do you want your food? Yay, matcha! Come on, let's go get your food. Come on. While Matcha is eating his food over there, I'm gonna give you guys just a small grocery haul. I got some almond milk, oat milk, a loaf of fresh sourdough bread, some fig spread to go with this goat cheese. I think tomorrow I'm gonna make a goat cheese and fig sandwich on this sourdough bread and it should be really yummy. Maybe I'll add in some of this spring mix. I wanted to try out this Field and Farmer Caesar dressing. Usually I get the Whole Foods organic Caesar one, but this one said that it didn't have any gums or preservatives. And if you know xanthan gum, it's in so many things and that's a big reason why I get this type of milk. The ingredients are what it actually is. There's no fillers or anything like that. Then I got some ground turkey, 99% lean, 1% fat, and then I got some blueberries to go with my yogurt bowl. I love having 3 stories in my house, but the downside is whenever Matcha has to go potty, we gotta go all the way down. But this is good because we're getting our exercise in. Go! He's been really good about going to the bathroom since I brought him back here. Hasn't had any accidents. He's really, really good about it. Yesterday I experimented and I made this little dinner that we're gonna have again tonight because we don't waste food. An unpopular opinion, but I think leftovers are almost better sometimes. So basically, I had a big square of tofu that I needed to use up. I'm not vegetarian, but if you are a vegetarian, you might want to reconsider making this dish because it was really, really scrumptious. So I seasoned the tofu with carne asada seasoning, put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, browned it so it's a little bit crispy. And then what I do is I go in my big chip stash, but these aren't regular chips, these are protein chips. I grabbed my loaded taco flavor, and this is the fun part. You're literally just gonna crunch the bag, smush the chips till they're really, really broken and little. Then we're gonna open it, add the crushed chips into here, sprinkle some cheese, and you've got yourself a vegetarian taco bowl. This in itself is a really, really high protein dinner. And I know it sounds weird, but you guys, just trust me on this. My current favorite TV show obsession, I have to share. I'm sure all of y'all have seen it and I'm just really late to the game, but it's called Suits and it's on Netflix. That show makes me want to become a lawyer so bad. Obviously, that is not the route that I was meant for. It was casted perfectly. I'm just obsessed with it. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna play fetch with Matcha while I'm eating this, while we're watching Suits. Happy girl dinner, everyone. I think the funniest thing is watching how expressive Matcha is with his paws. This boy I don't know what happened, but while mommy was gone, he got really sassy. I think he was having too much fun with Leo and Lacey, bullying them around. Oh, tomorrow is my friend Kaylee's birthday. She did this whole birthday celebration in McCall, Idaho, but my family was in town, so I couldn't go. So I decided to do something separate because obviously I love her and I wanted. So I got us tickets to this candlelight symphony thing, and it's Taylor Swift edition. We're going tomorrow night, but I'm also gonna see her in the morning because we're doing like a puppy play date on the Greenbelt. Why are we barking? Whoa. No. No. Stop that. Whoa, mister. You keep that paw down. Yeah.
Remember what was that whole food?
$3.
For a can, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is $1.33 a can.
Whoa.
One that Angie has too, the Ninja crock pot.
Mm-hmm.
It's on sale for $79.99. I'm so mad because we bought ours, we didn't buy it on sale.
Okay, so what I'm hearing is I need to go to Costco.
You probably should. If you still want a crock pot, I mean, it's up to you.
No, I do want a crock pot. I also really want an air fryer.
The air fryer is also on sale. The one I got for Catherine and Caitlin has it too. It's $39.99.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll go tomorrow.
What's the little guy doing?
He just gave me so much attitude.
Was he barking at you?
He was barking and using his paws to swipe at me.
He wants your attention.
He's so attention hungry, it's crazy. But now he's biting he's like biting his paw.
He's a naughty boy.
Uh-huh.
Okay, love you, bye.
Love you, bye. Love the fam. Y'all, this is so good. I know this looks really musty, crusty, gross, but it's really good. I would never lead you astray. We've got one last potty before bedtime. Good job. My favorite part about nighttime is taking off my makeup, doing my skincare, and obviously brushing my teeth. We've got the skincare headband on. We will not let anything get in my hair. The whole winding down skincare routine is pretty complex. So first we're gonna start off by using some micellar water. This is my favorite one. There's only 7 ingredients in it. So I feel safe knowing that when I'm taking off my eye makeup, there's nothing bad or sketchy going on my face. I'm gonna tie the rest of my hair back in a bun because for cleanser, I don't wanna get it anywhere on my hair. I actually just ran out of my cleanser and have had this in lineup ready to use. So this is gonna be my first impression of the superfood cleanser, the kale and green tea vitamin one. This is huge and I've seen this everywhere on Pinterest. Some other content creators that I follow rave about this product, so I'm interested to see if I actually end up liking it. For starters, feels really soft on the skin. Also doesn't smell bad either. I just took out my contacts off camera. Overall, I would rate that cleanser like an 8 out of 10 right now. I think tomorrow I'm gonna see how my face feels. Fingers crossed that I don't break out from it. Instead of jumping straight to moisturizer, I'm now gonna brush my teeth and then we'll do serum and moisturizer after. If you're not tongue scraping, get on it, sister. And then we're gonna do some mouthwash. This is my favorite brand. I cannot forget flossing. Finally, to wrap up skincare, we're gonna do serum and moisturizer. For serum, the L32 Typology is my current favorite. I just do 1 drop full of this. Put it all over my face and neck. It's seriously so hydrating. But we need to seal and lock in everything, especially with how dry it is here in Idaho. And the Summer Fridays Rich Cushion Cream really does the job. Gosh, I love taking y'all along with me for my night routine. I'm trying to put y'all on the best products. Retainers, so my orthodontist does not hate me. Honey infused lip oil. I put this on before bed so it soaks in my lip. Last but not least, my eyelash serum. Here she is. Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. I posted on my TikTok about 2 months ago that I got the Hatch alarm clock. This is my favorite thing in the whole entire world. If I could recommend anything to add to a wish list of some sort, or maybe next year's Christmas wish list, it would 100% be this Hatch alarm clock. Going to sleep and waking up to the most peaceful sounds really makes a difference, especially as a stressed out college student. If you know, you know. On that note, it is bedtime for Mr. Matcha and I. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video and watching. So happy to be back with my child. It made me really happy that so many of y'all cared about him and kept asking, where is Matcha? Because trust me, I get it. I would be wondering the same thing. I will see you in my next video. Have a fabulous rest of your day. Love y'all so much. Ciao.
Teenage therapy, just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication.